Rugby Funky Scotland, it's Scotland for the cup. Rugby Funky Scotland, well rugby funky rub. Rugby Funky Scotland, it's Scotland for the cup. Rugby Funky Scotland, well rugby funky rub. Rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you. Funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. Rugby Funky Scotland, it's Scotland for the cup. Rugby Funky Scotland, well rugby funk you up. Rugby Funky Scotland, it's Scotland for the cup. Rugby Funky Scotland, well rugby funk you up. Rugby.
He's got a brick for a heart. Put that in your pipe, Elvis. Never mind. He can't put it in his pipe because he'd have farted many years. After he stopped shooting out televisions, he decided to get it. Yes, I don't have a wooden heart. No, because I've got a swinging brick.
Funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. We'll rugby funk you, we're really gonna funk you up. Rugby Funky Scotland,
I'm not quite as strong as we were, but it proved that we just managed to get a side out that was equal to Perth. Perthshire, as I said, we went all the way up to the Bell Centre and we managed to secure a win by 28 points to 3. It was we even got the bonus point, so we're hoisted ourselves into a good position in the league because, as I said, it's all new to us. We haven't been playing that level for 10 or 15 years, maybe 10, 12 years. I can't quite. We used to be in the old second division of the National League. No, it was in the second division. We're in the old fourth division of the National Leagues, which was just about where we are now. A lot of the teams, Perthshire, DL and all these players, Livingston, we played all them in our time, and it's about the same standard again. As I said, we haven't been there for a long time, and we're short to maybe a couple of players here or there, but you know, we managed to secure a win. You know, good. We actually was in control of the game, but we couldn't score. I don't know what they were doing. We were just playing like a bunch of monkeys. I don't know, they're tackling and running, but bad passing and various other things. But eventually, as I said, Callum McNeil broke down the right wing, and as he kicked the ball, there was nothing on. He kicked it in the middle of the field. The boy took him out, and the wing forward. Despot, I think his name is, managed to score between the posts with Cassidy converting. Well, it wasn't a many minutes later, maybe they broke near the line and Cassidy gave McNeil the ball. Amazingly he scored because I didn't think he was gonna, but he got over. And he had Cassidy again convert. 14-0. They scored a penalty just in the second half, but and we managed to get up on their line again, put pressure on them. We started to kick the ball into corners and in the second half, and eventually Walker, the centre, he got over and it was again converted by Cassidy, and another good bit of play, and we got the centre Russell, who came just a new player. He came and he played centre. And he scored and he got us a bonus point. Again, Cassidy converted. We should have had another couple of tries, but unfortunately, some of them didn't like to pass the ball. But as I said, a good victory by 28 points to 3. So we've got Laswade at home this week, but that'll be a bigger test because they'll be a big, strong side. So we'll just have to see what we've got for them, you know. But all a new experience. Anyways, we're going on with when you're learning the game, I'll tell you. I learned the game years ago. Olé! 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 You're listening to Dave the Brick Elliott, all the way from Jennypers Road, as I said, the downtown St Boswell's Rugby Club, broadcasting on 103 FM. This is a community station, and if you'd like to get your news and views on this station, Don't delay, phone today. 823, what was the other? 503, you mad fools, you. I'll tell you. But never mind. We're going on next with Dolly Parton. Dolly, pardon me, I'll tell you. Anyways, as I said, we're here on Saturday, 3 o'clock kickoff, St Boswells versus Lasswade. Lasswade should be one of the top teams in that league, I would think, so it should be a battle of the mighty men here at Jenny Mills Road, as I said. We're on Saturday, 3 o'clock kickoff, as I said, so get yourself along and support the Saints. But as I said, watched on Saturday, there wasn't many winners on the board. There's Peebles got beat, Gala got beat, Selkirk got hammered. That was a big cheer up when we heard that, after they cheered when we got humped in the cup. But we reckon that when Boswells got humped at the cup with Highland, the Selkirk Rugby Club were acting. They didn't like us. Never mind. Kelso got beat. Jed won, and Melrose. That was the only two that had winning ways. I even noticed Berwick got beat. So naturally a bad day for the border clubs. But who knows? We're going on with Jim Reeves, and he's got distant drums, you fools. I'll send a message to Eric on the drums. Yes, you're listening to Brick FM, as I said. We're broadcasting here live from the studios of downtown St Boswells Rugby Club. I'll tell you. But Wes Blackburn was telling me and Scrog Shield last night, he says 3 things happen to you when you get old like me. I says, what are the Les? He says, when you get to my age, he says, the first thing is your memory starts to go. I says, your memory starts to go? Scrog Shield says, and what's the other 3 things, Les? He says, well, I can't mind. You got a laugh, haven't you? His memory's gone, chaps. But never mind. We're going on with Dusty Springfield. Go for your gun, but go for it real slowly, I'll tell you. Big horse. I'll tell you. Never mind. Well, yeah, as I said, we're broadcasting here tonight, downtown St Boswells Rugby Club. I had to laugh, as I say. Alec Lauder was in at the time when they were on about old age, you know. I had to laugh. He says, I'm that old. He says, they don't have my blood type anymore. I had to laugh. I says, the problem with Eck is, even though he's old, he's definitely still got it, you know. The trouble is, nobody wants it. You got to laugh, haven't you? Alec Lauder, he's still got it, but nobody wants it.